So, we all know what day it is. Today is the 4th of July. Soon, these night skies will be filled with fireworks. America! As you guys remember from last video I made for 4th of July, the Great Terry firework, that ended up being a major disappointment. Isn't that right, Terry? Yes. Last year was a major disappointment. So today, we will be getting our revenge. Instead of turning Terry into the firework, we will be using the fireworks against Terry. So, we got these little dynamite sticks right here, and we will be now throwing them at Terry. My aim sucks, okay. Let me move a little closer to the target. Going to open up the second bag. Okay, we have filled Terry with the dynamite, so we are now going to throw him. Bro. Oh, now it starts. Now, with these little dynamite boxes, I'm going to be filling Terry up with 3 boxes of them. I didn't want my explosive boom booms to escape him, so I taped him shut, which means that this thing might actually be dangerous. So it's time to throw him. Which I'm honestly kind of scared about. 3, 2, and 1. Oh my God, it's smoking. Ooh. Did you hear the sound of that thing? It looks like the Mark II Terry firework is all out of gas. Smells like freedom. Turns out a good bunch of them didn't even blow up either. You guys are unlucky and weren't able to witness my master plan. So as we can see, Terry is a bit scarred here and there, but overall, he's still standing. Yeah. And while it is a bummer that Terry disappointed a little bit, again, for 4th of July, what's better is that, again, he's still standing. Yeah. Which means that he can be in more videos. Up next will be later tonight, when me and Terry watch the fireworks. I did things. Terryless. I will not let you ruin another 4th of July with your strength. Not this one. It's over. Terryless. Light. Happy 4th of July, Terry. Happy 4th of July,